Alright guys, a helicopter ferry has struck again. Let's see who he has touched. This guy really makes dreams come true. And today is heli days. Look what he got from the helicopter ferry. Trex
right.
600 Pro. What do you know, boy? Man, look at his face. That guy is truly a blessing.
How you doing, Thomas?
Hey, all right, man. I was in there playing that next simulator game. They gave me my copy for free.
For free?
Yeah. All right, closer look at Heli Days new 600. Got the Castle Lights 2 HV speed controller. B-Sticks AR7200. It's got a DSM-2 satellite on here. But we need a DSM-X satellite to bind with the micro beast. So I'm going to put the K-bar on here. I'm going to put this B-Sticks on Gil's Dominator he's putting together. Oh yeah, BC. Got the RX battery, slant gear, got DS610 servos. Man, I say the helicopter ferry makes dreams come true for us all, man. God bless that dude for real. Incredible, man. I mean, I could damn near cry. What a good man. He blessed us all. God bless him. Thanks for watching, y'all. Let me stop this camera before I start crying. Thank you.